Here's the truth nobody wants to tell you. 90% of professional investors underperform the stock market. They trade constantly, they pay massive fees, and they still lose to people who literally do nothing. But there's a group that gets rich quietly, and they're all using the exact same tool. It's called an index fund. And in the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to start, even if you've never invested $1 in your life. Let me be straight with you. Most people stay broke because they believe 3 lies. First lie, you need a ton of money to start investing. False. You can start with 100. Second lie, investing is too complicated. Also false. It takes 5 minutes to set up. Third lie, you need to pick individual stocks to win. This one's dangerous. The average person picking stocks loses to someone who buys one index fund and forgets about it. These aren't opinions. They're backed by decades of data. So what is an index fund? Think of it like this. Instead of betting on one horse in a race, you're betting on all the horses. An index fund is a basket of hundreds or thousands of stocks bundled together. When the market goes up, your money goes up. When it goes down, your money goes down. But you're not emotional about it because you're not tracking individual stocks. The most popular index fund in the world tracks the S&P 500. That's the 500 largest companies in America. Its average return, 10% per year over the last 50 years. That's how wealth actually gets built. Here are the 3 index funds I recommend for beginners. Number 1, VOO or SPY. Both track the S&P 500. Expense ratio is 0.03%, meaning for every $10,000 you invest, you pay $3 per year in fees. Criminal low. Number 2, VTI. This tracks the entire U.S. stock market, not just the big 500 companies. Same 0.03% fee. Number 3, VTSX. This is the same as VTI, but for people with smaller accounts. Pick one. Seriously. The differences between them are so small that overthinking this is your first mistake. Now, how much money do you actually need to start? The answer is simple. Whatever you can afford to lose without panicking. I recommend $100 minimum. Not because that's the magic number, but because it forces you to think in terms of habit instead of lump sums. Invest $100 this month. Invest $100 next month. After 1 year, you've invested $100. After 5 years, $6,000. That's how normal people build wealth, not through lottery tickets or get-rich-quick schemes. It's boring. And boring is exactly why it works. Here's your action step. Do this today. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Takes 10 minutes. Step 2. Choose one index fund from the 3 I mentioned. Step 3. Set up automatic monthly contributions, even $100 per month. Step 4. Do not check your account for 6 months. This is critical. The biggest mistake new investors make is watching their money obsessively. Stock prices move daily. That's noise. Your job is to stay consistent for years. This is educational content, not financial advice. Do your own research. Talk to a professional if you need to. But here's what I know for certain. The people who get rich don't overthink this. They pick a simple index fund, invest consistently, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. That's literally it. You don't need to be smart. You don't need to be lucky. You just need to start. And you can start today with $100. If this video actually changed how you think about money, hit that like button. Subscribe for more personal finance breakdowns that won't put you to sleep. And in the comments, tell me, what's the one thing stopping you from investing right now? Is it fear? Confusion? Not enough money? I read every comment, and I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.